Good afternoon, students. So in the previous section we have discussed about solving a pair of linear equation by graphical method. So the graphical method is not convenient in cases of points like minus 1.733 comma 0.335, and then if the point is like 14 by 9 comma 1 by 19. So if the points are like this, it becomes very difficult to read from the graph. So that is why in order to overcome this drawback, we go for algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. So in algebraic methods we have substitution method, and then elimination method and cross multiplication method. So let us start with the substitution method. So we shall discuss this by considering an example problem. The first example, it is solve the following pair of equations by substitution method, and the given pair of equations are 7x minus 15y which is equals to 2, and then x plus 2y which is equals to 3. So now see here, we will solve this. So I will write the given equations as it is. Seven x minus 15y which is equals to 2. This is our equation number 1, and then x plus 2y, this is equals to 3. It is equation number 2. So now either from the equation 1 or from the equation 2, we have to express one variable in terms of another variable. So here what I do is I separate x from equation 2. So see here, from equation 2, x which is equals to 3 minus 2y, x which is equals to 3 minus 2y, call this as equation number 3. Now substitute this x value in equation number 1. Substitute equation 3 in equation number 1. So now 7 into, in place of x I will have to write 3 minus 2y, 3 minus 2y, this is minus 15y, this is equals to, minus 15y is equals to 2. So now multiply 7 with these two terms, we get 21 minus 14y minus 15y which is equals to 2. Then now see here, 21 minus 14y minus 15y will be minus 29y which is equals to 2. So now take 21 to the RHS, it becomes minus 21. So minus 29y which is equals to 2 minus 21. Then minus 29y is equals to minus 19. So y which is equals to minus 19 divided by minus 29, minus 19 divided by minus 29, then y which is equals to minus by minus it is plus, we get 19 by 29, 19 divided by 29. This is the value of y. Now substitute this value of y in equation number 3, we get the value of x. So put y is equals to 19 divided by 29 in equation number 3. So see here, where is our equation number 3? It is x is equals to 3 minus 2y. So this becomes x which is equals to 3 minus 2. In place of y, I write 19 divided by 29. So x is equals to 3 minus 2 into 19, it is 38 divided by 29. So now x is equals to, x which is equals to 29 will be multiplied with 3, we get 87 minus 38 divided by 29. So x which is equals to 87 minus 38 will be 49 divided by 29. So this is the value of x. So for the given pair of equations, we have calculated the solution through the substitution method. So this is all about the example problem. So next we will move on to the exercise 3.3. So pause the video to note it down.